Vyral Marketing is a video marketing service that real estate agents can use to boost lead generation and grow their real estate business. Video marketing is a great way to engage current leads and past clients and get them to work with you. In this video, we'll explore 9 reasons why Vyral Marketing is a great tool for anyone in the real estate industry. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. Number 9. It's an easy introduction to video marketing. Vyral Marketing is a one-stop shop for everything related to video marketing, and they take care of everything for you, including social media posting, editing, and topic ideas. This makes it easier for you as the agent to explore video marketing and how it can transform your real estate business. Number 8, increase your lead engagement. Creating videos will help your leads and clients see you as an authority in the real estate industry and make them more likely to work with you. Also, video marketing can help increase brand awareness. Results can either be immediate or take a couple of months, depending on how many videos the agent creates, the video quality, and how many leads they have in their customer database. Number 7, videos sent through email. Vyral Marketing is primarily an email-based system. For this reason, you'll need to collect the email addresses of leads, past clients, and anyone else in your sphere of influence you want to receive your videos. You can then set up Vyral Marketing to send out at least 2 video emails per month. Vyral Marketing's monthly fee includes up to 20,000 video emails per month. Number 6, get started fast. During Vyral Marketing's 30-day initial setup process, the company will conduct initial interviews with you. They'll help you set up a video blog website, create new subscriber forms to capture leads, and develop a comprehensive marketing strategy. In addition, as part of the initial setup, the company will send you video equipment, including an HD webcam, microphone, and lighting fixtures. Number 5, consistent feedback. One reason Vyral Marketing helps real estate agents is their weekly feedback and consultations. A representative from the company will meet with you to discuss various topics related to your business and marketing plan. Their weekly phone calls will update you on the success of your video marketing campaigns. Number 4, specifically designed marketing plan. You'll learn Vyral Marketing's 4-step marketing plan for converting prospects. They will help you reconnect with your database, develop a marketing plan to engage with them at various points, and give you scripts and ideas to use when you call them. Number 3, included post-production. Are you unsure how to edit a video? No problem. Simply film your 2 to 3 minute video and Vyral Marketing will take care of the rest. They will handle the editing, optimization, uploading, and social media promotion, including posting to Facebook and YouTube. They will also give you content ideas if you need them. For some tips on editing real estate videos, check out my other video that I'll link above. Number 2, analytics and tracking. Vyral Marketing has integrated analytics so you can learn data about your audience, such as who opens your emails, clicks the video, and how long they watch the content. As a result, you'll know which leads to follow up with, and you can call them using Vyral Marketing scripts. And number 1, reviews and testimonials. A great feature of the platform is that Vyral Marketing's professional services can reach out to your past clients, over the phone and get testimonials. This is a great way to collect reviews for your business and increase referrals. So to sum things up, while it does have an expensive price tag, Vyral Marketing can revolutionize your real estate business. And if you've never utilized video marketing before, this system will take care of all the challenging aspects. This way, you can just focus on filming and follow up with your customer database. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. Have you used Vyral Marketing before? Do you plan to try it out? Let me know in the comments below. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.